Hey, this is Wolf Zappe. Just a very short video here. I want to make you aware of a feature that you'll want to use to send out to your list. And this is about our Hangout, which is held every Wednesday night at 10 p.m. Eastern Time. And this is an opportunity to get people to see what we're all about. And while they're watching the Hangout, they can actually click on a link that where they can actually join you in the business. So you'll want to get this link out, and there's emails already set up. If I hover over email, voice, text, and then email, and then view campaigns, I'm going to click on that, and there's a drop down box, and here's a broadcast. There's two broadcasts here. Broadcast Hangout to your list, which is upcoming. This one I would send out on Wednesday, and then the other one I would send out the next day or days after. Which this one says broadcast Hangout to your list past. That means that they already had the broadcast, and you can see the recorded for that. So let me show you what this looks like. If this were like Wednesday, I would want to broadcast this out to my list, and boom, it would show that here, and you can view this campaign, and it would look just like this. Hello, first name, real quick. Our last Hangout was amazing, and people are still talking about it. We're doing it again. When is this? Tonight. And you've got to see this. All of this stuff is coded to your own page, and your name and phone number. So I'm going to close that window, and that's going to go to, let's look at our pages. There's a page here for the Hangout, and it would look like this. I'm going to shut this off because there'll be sound on that. And while the Hangout is going on, then a person can click here to start your free trial, or they can click here to see the accelerated leverage page, which is the compensation plan. I think this is really cool. You don't have to do anything. It's all set up for you. Now let me show you another thing. If I want to create a Hangout page myself and just set a domain to that, then you can do that. And I've already done this by creating a subdomain for it. And so I'll show you. Here's a subdomain that I created. It's called hangout.leadsmarketingsystem.com, and it's then you can choose the page when you do that, and I've got the page set to that one that I just showed you, and it's all set up. You save your choice, and it's done. So I think that's really important, just a small detail, but you'll want to do that every week. Okay, so that's how you do that. Thanks.